This is Dave Wright. I'm chairman of Victor Hiking Trails, and today we're going to take a little hike at Tinker Nature Park. It's located in Henrietta, and it's at 1525 Hawkins Road. So I hope you enjoy this. This is a historic farm. It was owned by the Tinker family and is now being converted into a nature center. It's operated by the town of Henrietta. They have a large parking lot here, and there is overflow parking across the street. This is the information about the nature park, and we'll be taking a hike today with the Genesee Valley Hiking Group. They have close to 50 people today. This is the beginning of the hike, going down a brick road. We're playing follow the leader. Alicia is our leader today, and we'll be going to the right. This has been advertised to be an easy 3-mile hike. It's mostly flat area, so it should be fairly easy. We are on an elevated trail because the area around on both sides is a wet area. There you can see the elevated boardwalk through the swamp area. This is one of the entrances to the park in the neighborhood. It's Park Acre Road. There are a lot of dead trees, mainly because it is a wet area and they have just outlived their life. There are many benches located along the trail, so you can stop and enjoy the trail. The trail meanders through a hardwood area, very pretty. Now we are coming up to a pond with a nice little gazebo overlooking the pond. The sun is shining as we head back towards the parking lot. We're now on the nature trail, where they have many signs talking about the different types of trees and animals that are in the park. We did about 2.9 miles today with a lot of loops, repeating some of the trails that we did previously. I want to remind you to sign up for Victor Hiking Trail hikes as well as educational hikes. Go to our website, victorhikingtrails.org, to get all the information, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.